Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is a Citroën 2CV 5-car set celebrating 100 years of Citroën in 2019. It's a French exclusive. You can see that here above the barcode it says SMO. Smoby is the French importer of Majorette. And then on the back it's got the opening parts of the vehicles, which is for all of them the hood or bonnet, because they're all the same vehicle in there. This is the insert the cars were sitting on. It has the city of Menton in the back, that is located on the French Riviera, close to the Italian border. It says the specifics of the vehicles on the cardboard. So on the left we got the Gendarmerie version. Then we got the Dolly, then in the middle the regular 2CV, and then the Charleston and the Cocorico. So let's take a look at the Gendarmerie version first. So this is what the base looks like. Looks like it's 1/64 scale, it says on the base. Production October 2019. You can kind of see some of the suspension here molded into the plastic, but not very detailed, not as detailed as the Norev one. Unfortunately, this model, as you can see, has no holes in the base that shows the suspension bar. So even though this vehicle was notorious for its soft suspension, and Majorette is also notorious, or famous I should say, for his suspension on vehicles, they did not give this vehicle suspension. That is unfortunate, but it is what it is. It's got those disc wheels without the holes in it. You will see some other versions that have the holes in them. This is I think a fantasy livery. I don't think the Gendarmerie in France, the French police, ever had a 2CV like this. So you get some engine detail, black plastic part that is part of the interior probably. They all have the rectangular headlights, which is incorrect for some. Some would have had the round headlights. But lots of detail on it. Bumper is part of the base, and the base clips into the body. Taillights painted. You have the canvas top in gray. This would be a convertible, kind of a convertible. The gray part folds to the back. Then we got the Dolly. So this was a special limited series. It was available in 1985 and 1986. Two-tone, so they would all have had this kind of paint style, but you could get different colors. It's got the trunk or boot painted the same color as the fenders. It's a gray interior, so maybe we can see a little bit better in here. The black one, very basic interior. Also referred to as a umbrella on 4 wheels. Same details. Then we got just a regular version in yellow. This one's got a gray base. So this will also be available in the vintage series. It's got the black canvas top. And then we got the Charleston. We'll look at some other versions at the end of the video. And then we got the Cocorico. So this was also a limited series, available from 1986 till 1987. Only 1,000 examples were made. As you can see on the side here, it has the colors of the French flag on it. This is the right following order, blue, then white, and then red. On this side, it's exactly the same as the other side, but it's not the right following order of the colors on the French flag. The doors would have stickers on them, on the real car I mean, and then the other colored parts were painted. So you can see the rims with the holes in them. These special series had white rims, the Dolly and the Cocorico had the white rims. So let's take a look at some other versions I have. This was the first release, also a Charleston, the yellow and red version, but the black part here is painted in a matte black. That is not very accurate to the real vehicle. Should have been glossy black like it is on the doors. So they changed that with the gray version. Gray version is all glossy, nothing in matte on that one. And then the second version we got was again a Charleston, and then the red and black, also with the matte colors. This one got the yellow rims, and this one got the silver rims. This one the silver rims, but without the holes in it. So on the real vehicle, this was the first release of the Charleston in 1980 and 1981. It started out as a limited series, but because it was so successful, they integrated it in the regular lineup. Then they got the yellow and black one, 1981 and 1982, and then the gray, two-tone gray one in 1983. Also got a German police livery, Polizei. Also not very realistic. I don't think the German police ever had the 2CV, but kind of cool to have, kind of funny. So here we got the two police liveries. The 2CV had all kinds of nicknames. In France it had a lot of nicknames, but the most known one is La Douche. And then in other parts, like where I live, it was called the Goat. And in Holland and in Germany and other parts in Europe it was called the Duck. And in the UK it was called the Tin Snail. So some little info there on the nicknames this funny vehicle has gotten over the years. So let's line them all up together. We got the police ones. Then we got the special series, Dolly, Cocorico, and the Charleston. And then just a regular version. We'll put that one in the front. Just a simple, basic, standard 2 chevaux. That's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye. Oh yeah, by the way, before I forget, if you want to see all of my 2CVs or 2 chevaux, I will put a link to my Citroën video where I show all of them. I'll put one in the description of the video if I don't forget, and one in the comments. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.